In this video, we're just going to talk about the heel plates that we have for the 370Z. These are obviously raw aluminum. There's also a black powder coated option available from Skillard.com. If you have any questions, please email sales@skillard.com. So driver side, passenger side, and we'll go ahead and open up the doors and just kind of show you how they set in there and how they look. All right, so we obviously have the floor mats out of it. These are made to go on top of the carpet. If you've ever had the carpet kit out, you'll notice there's a bunch of styrofoam, and like even behind your whole dead pedal is just a chunk of styrofoam. And so as of now, these are intended to go on top. Some of the nice things is because they're not fabric, they don't bunch up even if it were to come off of your pins that hold them. And one of the things I want to point out are the pins. So you've got them here, and there are little slots at the top. And so one of the things that is nice is that you don't really need to do anything. You don't need to drill any holes, screw anything in. These just drop right in, nice and secure, and they line up with the factory pins. And even if they were to, like, if the factory ones were to pop off, your stuff bunches up. These are rigid, so even if these come off, there's nowhere for it to go. Also, one other thing, if you felt like you really wanted to, they're not provided, but you could always throw like a cotter pin back through these to ensure that they, would never come off. But we've been messing with them and they've stayed put. We haven't had any issues with it. Driver side, passenger side, basically the same, but we can hop over there and take a look at that, and so you can see those in the car. All right, so here we have the passenger side, and basically same thing. Put it in, drops right down on the pins, runs up the, kind of the firewall footwell there. So you can see these are all embossed here, so one, it's kind of a fun, neat look, and it also adds a lot of strength and rigidity throughout those. The edges are formed down, so it actually raises it all up off the carpet. Better foot position, and nice heat barrier. So if you're doing some spirited driving and your exhaust can start to heat up, you don't have to worry about your feet getting toasty. These driver side, passenger side, again, raw and black is an option, available from Skillard.com.